When the cold months come rolling in, it can be tough to find the same enjoyment from your outdoor spaces that you did in the summer. But having the right patio heater can change everything. A patio heater can warm up your outdoor area right through the holidays and straight into breezier spring nights. Let this eFireplaceStore video be your guide to the basics of freestanding patio heaters. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What are freestanding patio heaters? If you've been to an outdoor commercial venue in cooler weather, chances are you've experienced a freestanding patio heater. These models are popular choices for outdoor bar and restaurant seating areas, so they'll be right at home on your home's patio. In most cases, freestanding heaters are taller than the average person and have a fuel supply connected through the base of the unit. Since they don't use electricity, they can be set up anywhere. If you're using propane, you'll have the added benefit of being able to move your patio heater from place to place. If you decide to use natural gas as a fuel source, you'll need to connect the freestanding unit to a gas line, which may limit your mobility. If you're looking for maximum heat output, freestanding units offer wider coverage than tabletop models. How much space will your patio heater cover? Not every patio heater is created equally. You'll find a wide range of BTU outputs from model to model. But what are BTUs and why do they matter? A BTU is a measure of thermal work. More BTU work per hour means more thermal power. And the more thermal power, the more heat you'll feel. The hard part used to be figuring out how many BTUs per hour you'd need to heat your desired area. Well, not anymore. There's a simple, one-step solution to find out how many BTUs per hour your covered patio space will need. Take the hourly BTU output rating of the heater you're looking at and divide that number by 40. That number will be a rough estimate of how many square feet of covered patio space your chosen heater will heat. For example, a heater with a maximum hourly output of 50,000 BTUs will heat an area of roughly 1,250 square feet. Why? Because 50,000 divided by 40 is 1,250. Keep in mind though, this is a rough estimate for covered spaces. Heated air in uncovered spaces will float away. A greater number of people will absorb more of the available heat, and the calculation works best for outside ambient temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. How do you assemble your heater? Even though your freestanding patio heater will come in a large box, getting it ready for use won't be complicated. Open the box, unpack the parts, follow the setup instructions, and you're done. While the directions won't be difficult, don't be surprised if there are a lot of steps. But once the setup is complete, just attach your fuel source and you'll be ready to heat things up. How do you get the most out of your freestanding patio heater? Anything that generates a lot of heat is going to have some safety do's and don'ts. Follow these tips to make life with your patio heater more comfortable in the long run. Never place your patio heater on grass. A freestanding patio heater needs to be on stable, level ground like a concrete slab. Accidental tipovers are a real issue. Don't use your heater during rainy or windy weather. If it falls over and gets damaged, you'll be sorry. It's best to put your patio heater away, protected by its model-specific cover. Never use your outdoor patio heater indoors. Outdoor heaters are designed for the kind of heat flow and dispersion you'd find outside. Using one indoors could easily cause a fire. Should your heater get dirty, only use the most basic of cleaning methods. Wipe the surface clean with a mild detergent, rinse it with water, and let it air dry. Be sure to keep the burner and pilot assembly as dry as possible. If the gas controls become submerged in water, replace the components. Do not use the appliance until you do. Keep the airflow to your heater's burner unobstructed. Popping noises, low temperatures, and an uneven glow from the burner are sure signs of an airflow blockage. Keep an eye and ear out for any of these signs to keep your patio heater in prime heating condition. A freestanding patio heater can add months each year to the usable time you get from your home's outdoor spaces. There's a multitude of great-looking, sturdy, low-maintenance solutions to bring warmth to your outdoor areas all year round. If you still need help finding your very own patio heater, our NFI Certified Specialists are just a phone call or email away. And for more details about outdoor heating, be sure to visit us at eFireplaceStore.com, where you can shop and continue to learn from our ever-growing library of articles, videos, and other guides. Thanks for watching.